Just like humans, different birds have different qualities, and based on these qualities, there are three kind of birds which are completely described by this pyramid. Number one is the flight birds, number two is the flightless birds, and the last one is the aquatic or water birds. Now let's just talk about them one by one. Let's just first talk about the flight birds. The flight birds, as the name suggests, are those birds whose airplane mode is always on. That means those birds that can fly are known as flying birds. The flying helps the birds to search for food, to migrate to another places and escape from enemies. Now, what is the meaning of migrate here? See, when there is bad weather, what birds do is to move from one place to the other, and that process is known as migration. There is also a movie based on the same, right? I gave you a picture in the previous video if you remember. Also, the meaning of migrate is written here also. Further, these birds have hollow and light bones which are filled with air because they need to fly, and for flying their body needs to be light. That's why their bones are hollow. Some of the examples of flight birds are pigeon, parrot, sparrow, duck, etc. And here is a cute picture of the parrot from the movie Rio. You must have watched that movie. Okay, so next is flightless birds. As the name indicates, flightless birds are those who are unable to fly, but they have another quality other than flying. That is, they are fast runners and good swimmers. And one of the prime examples of flightless birds is the penguins. See how cute that penguin is. They have smaller wing bones. You can clearly see in this picture, this cute penguin has also small wing bones, and they have heavy and solid bones. Why their bones are heavy and solid? Because they don't need to fly, so their body is naturally heavy. Also, they have more feathers on their body. What is the purpose of more feather on their body? If we talk about penguins, they protect themselves from cold seasons using these feathers. Now, the last kind is the aquatic birds, or what we say as the water birds. Aquatic birds are the ones that live in or around the water, and also they get their food from water. Their feathers do not rot in water. The meaning of rot here is spoil. Their feathers, we know now that when something is kept in water for a long time, it is spoiled, right? But their feathers do not rot in water. Why? Because there is presence of oil glands in their skin. Gland is a part of the body that makes the liquid substance. So the oil glands prevent their feathers to rot from water. And some of the examples are flamingo, crane, swan, and duck. That's all for today. We'll discuss the next topic in the next video.